best way to start a morning. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. You guys join us out here with a nice group of M cars, a beautiful flat gray, almost like chalk or Nardo gray on this M8 competition. But also look at the wheels, absolutely beautiful. I love it has the BMW center caps, but these are aftermarket wheels, multi-piece wheels. I think the red brake calipers, a nice little touch to it as well. Carbon pieces, carbon side skirts, deep tint front, side. It's like limo tint on this thing, which is awesome. It's got the carbon roof. Wow, look at the back of this thing, absolutely beautiful. Obviously spoiler's real nice, but I like these little carbon pieces on the side. The exhaust is carbon tips, very tastefully done on this car. I like this a lot. Then we have my M4 G82 Manual right here. You can obviously see, if you guys haven't seen recently, we went ahead and did the carbon fiber diffuser. We got that Valve Master exhaust as well, and then we have the Master Art and Design downpipes too. But in the last video, if you haven't seen, we went ahead and did the carbon fiber LED steering wheel, which looks really good on the car. And then you got Mark's car right here, the F80 M3. I mean, this thing has a lot of mods on it, tastefully done as well. Austin yellow, deep dish wheels, slams, got a ski box on top. But he also installed the Valve Master exhaust on his car as well, so he's running downpipes and their full titanium system with the equal link. So it'll be nice to hear this thing on the road, hear what it sounds like in comparison to G80 generation. And then you got a nice F82 M4. We've seen this in the last few videos ago. Laguna Seca blue wrap, nice red interior as well, looks really good. Yeah, it's pretty much the lineup. We're going to be taking these cars to a nice meet. So we got M4, F82, F80 M3, G82 M4, M8 competition big dog. So now that sounds absolutely amazing. I like that sound too. I missed that. Damn, taillights are sick. So this M8 just looks amazing. It sounds so good. He's got the downpipes, but we gotta get some gas, man. We barely have anything inside this car, so we're just gonna throw a little bit of fuel in it, just enough to get to the meet, and then we're gonna get on the road. Man, look at these cars, man. That looks crazy.
Two of them critically when a truck.
We are back on the road. Got some fuel in the car, and we're already setting off car alarms. Closer look at these cars. Wow. I mean, all these cars are well done. Mark's car is just crazy, man. It's very out there, very unique spec too.
Damn!
Whoa, that boy was flying. Whoa. That M8 is just nasty.
See that coffee?
I know, right? Man, this site is crazy. If you guys know me, this is the best way to start a morning. Coffee, M cars with other M cars. Got mountains too, nice view. Just sick. Here on those cars are turbos. If you don't know about them, they're V8 twin turbos. They got like 620 horsepower from the factory. He's got a tune on his too, so it's probably well over 700 horsepower on his cars. You can get 1,000 easy. You don't have to do much. It's styling is so cool too. If you guys didn't see the last video, this is the first POV with this new steering wheel. I'm absolutely in love. You guys know we've had Carbontastic steering wheels, and not only my M4, but also our M6 Grand Coupe Manual too. So this is the third car with the LED steering wheel from Carbontastic, and we just love them, man. We just love using these steering Look at the M8 in the rear view. That car looks incredible. Got the Kawasaki. Blue just looks so good. I still think that's like one of the best colors BMW's ever made. Nature out here is so nice. There's nothing like blending these cars with the beautiful scenery. Some nice open roads too. And this is what Sunday mornings are all about. Wow, look at this view. This is cool. M8 from behind us, dude. That's wild. As you can see, we got the M4 parked up next to a nice E46 M3 white on red interior manual. Then you can see a couple cars that we rolled in with the M4, M3, and that M8 competition. You see the interior's got a similar steering wheel to mine. Looks really nice. Not only that, he's got those carbon fiber bucket seats, just like my car, but you don't often see them on the M8. Subaru pulling in too. So not only is this car just awesome from the outside, but the interior is absolutely amazing. That's a nice NSX pulling in right there. In the back, in the middle of nowhere of the shop, is an actual Formula car, which is weird just seeing it on top of a shipping container. Looks cool. It's got Pirelli tires on it. Question is, I wonder why it's up there, but they need to bring this thing down so we can go ahead and see it on the road. So this is the back of the shop. We got a nice few clean builds back here. This E90 M3's got Recaro buckets, Alpine white, and BBS wheels. It's also got that GT3 spoiler. This is a very clean spec. That is nice. This Porsche is nice as well. Got all the M cars. We also got some AMGs, 3 of them in a row right here. Some cool colors like a frozen gray, a white one, and a black one. Nice couple M's right here too. Frozen, both of them. One's orange. I think that's a Jabra edition, F10 M5. You don't often see those, very rare.
You are just a
Yeah, no.
So you can see some of the guys, part of Kevin's group, pulled up. It's a nice G80 M3 comp. Their F83. It's really nice. Red M4 CS. You don't often see these cars in this color. Look at the interior too. Man, love the F82s. You can see Kevin's M4 GTS. We haven't seen this car on the channel. He's been out in Florida, living it up in Miami. But it's nice to see this car again. Looks really good. If you guys haven't seen it before, it's just lowered downpipes. Some subtle mods here and there. So pretty much a factory race car, the GTS. And there's another CS, which is white. He's got some tasteful mods on the car as well. But this right here is just absolutely insane. This is Anthony's wide body G82 M4. You guys seen it in a few videos ago. One of our POV drives, we drove around this thing. This car actually is the one that cracked my windshield. So yeah, I don't know how to feel about that. This thing looks absolutely sick. Love the yellow on it. Wheels are black. Also on this, he did the M Performance style kind of quad tip stacked on top of each other exhaust. Let me know what you guys think about that. I think it fits the wide body cars better than it does the factory ones because it's just really out there. This wing is nice too. I mean, look at that. But it's crazy to look at this car from the front end next to a regular 4 Series non-M behind it. That thing just looks so tame and small compared to this thing. And nice clean Amola red F80 M3 as well. BBS wheels, got the acro exhaust. Love this car. And you got nose chrome E92 M3 supercharged on this one. He actually wanted me to take this car for a spin, so we'll see if we can do a video on this car here pretty soon. But you can see the interior on this thing. It's got those performance bucket seats, roll cage, full carbon in the back seats as well. Steering wheel, I mean, it's a lot of carbon fiber on this car. And these fenders are done too. You can see that supercharger.
600.
Absolutely sick. This here is pretty nice too. That's the NSX we saw pulling in. It's got a nice kit on it. Lower right wheels on it too. Very nice. This is just downright foul. Nice Ferrari. Got an R8. Some nice wheels on it. Oh, that is a nice RS. It's like chalk gray too. Man, this car is just beautiful. See, this is one of the cars that pulled up with the supercar crew. It's the Audi R8. These are the V8s, but these are still nice. I always like how these cars look, especially when they got the full carbon piece on the side of the car. Looks like Chanel likes the Ferrari. She thinks it's a vibe. I do too. Red, it's got the peanut butter interior. Nice Ferrari bucket seats in this car. And over here is this nice 911. At first glance, I thought it was a GT3, but it's a 911 Carrera with the GT3 front bumper. But what's cool, it's a manual. It's got navy blue interior. It's got a roll cage. Some cool mods on it. But on top of that, it's got really nice wheels on it too with the right brake calipers. This thing looks really good.
6276. 6276.
Nobody? 6276. You guys join us back at the house. We're gonna do another modification to the G82. As you guys can see, we have a couple things sent over from West Coast Euros. We have their yellow, lemon yellow CSL DRL for the headlights. You can see right now with the halos turned on, the actual light illuminating through the halos are white. And the CSL DRLs that we're gonna install are gonna turn these from white to yellow. And not only that, we also have the frameless mounts from West Coast Euros. So we got CSL DRLs and frameless mounts for the license plate, so we can detach the license plate and put it back on whenever we want very quickly. So all we're going to need to install this is a T20 Torx bit, which we're going to use on the elbow tool, and then we also just need a 10 mil. And then for the frameless mounts, we just need a screwdriver for this. So there are a total of 4 modules. We have one of these on each side, then the other module is actually right here, and we're going to remove these bolts right here in the fender liner so that we can just loosen it up, not take it off completely, and then we can access the other module. And that's just 2 on each side, total of 4 modules. Huge shout out to West Coast Euros. We open up their package, you can see we have a total of 4 different modules, 2 in each package, a smaller one and a larger one. So once both of them are removed, you just pull up. There's a clip on the back side, just push it down. And unplug it. It's just a flathead screwdriver just to pry this DRL off of the metal piece. But be careful, you don't want to damage the OEM DRLs in case you want to go back. As you can see, we were able to pry it off. So this is the factory one right here. We're just going to swap it out. And the other ones come with adhesive on the back, so you don't have to buy any glue. It just comes with it, just stick it back on. Just peeling this back. Tuck it in this corner. And I'm just going to press it down. Just plug that back in like so. We just installed one. Before doing all of them, we want to make sure it actually works, so let's check them out. So it indeed works. It looks really good, nice and yellow, the exact same one from the CSL M4. So I'm stoked. So let's get the rest of them done. I'll show you how to do the other one, and then you just simply repeat the process on this other side. So let's do this other one. Once you remove enough bolts to get the fender liner down, you can easily access, well, mostly easily access the other DRL back here. So we'll go ahead and just knock it out, pull it out for you guys, replace it. Do the same thing on the other side, and that should be it. Here's the main module, the big one. Went ahead and got it off. It's time to put the other one on. And this one, you'll notice there's 3 holes in the middle. That's gonna align with the 3 holes on the actual metal piece of the DRL. So here we are. And as you can see, it's raining out here, so it's kind of cool to see the car in the wet and what this car looks like with the yellow headlights. So like I mentioned before, these are the CSL, like OEM DRL colors, the same ones that you see on the M5 CS and the M4 CSL. And I think it changes the whole demeanor and the whole presence of this car. Just driving it just for a little bit, a lot more people notice this car as well. It kind of sticks out a little bit more just because these halos are a different color. Now, it's important to note the actual headlight bulbs themselves don't change color. They're going to stay white. So this is a completely legal setup. But what I like is when you get close, you see the details of the laser lights. For some reason, I feel like it pops out a little bit more with the yellow. You kind of see every single detail inside these laser lights. It's kind of sad that they got rid of these headlights on the LCI versions. A lot of people are going to be buying the pre-facelift LCI headlights and then retrofitting them onto the LCI cars. And then this is what it looks like when the headlights are fully on. So you can see the actual headlights themselves, they're still white, and just the halos themselves are yellow. So it's fully legal, street legal and everything. You're not gonna get in trouble for putting these on the car. And as far as the frameless mount goes, super easy to install. If you pull the plate off, you can see there's 2 pieces, a male and female end. It's actually finished in carbon fiber, which is really cool. The little details on that, but they're magnetics. You basically just screw this piece in right here, and then you place this piece on top, and this piece right here has glue tape to it. So all you have to do is put this piece on top of that piece, and then you put the other little stop in the middle, and then you just slide it on. As you can see, it's real tight and secure. It's probably the easiest modification I've done, just literally unscrewing and screwing things on the car. And I think it just looks so much better without a plate on the car. There's something about it that just hits different. It makes it feel like a new car just without the plates. And then we want to head back on the road, just literally just slide this back on there, and that's it. And then we're full legal again. So that'll just about do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.